Okay, cross your legs like this. I shizzle.
Hey, Bobo.
Okay.
Step one. Blink, blink, blink,
Right.
blink, blink.
Hold his hand out like this. If you're such an expert on all these erotic things like bondage, to tie people over this. Let's see how
I just filled in my leg. Help me, Mason.
He's already done the test. Okay. Alright, this one, do this.
No.
No, do it. Do this, like, there you go.
Take it away.
Yeah. You only get two on this hand. Like, wait a minute.
Don't put it on.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
Hey,
baby.
Bobo.
Hey, baby.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Why are you teaching Hey, Daddy?
You know what? I think we ought to give her. We're gonna give her a little bit less advantage. Give me the other two on that one, because Mason got those two, but you're so coordinated. We'll take these two away from you.
Take that one away too.
No. Okay.
Take.
And for the final. Now, all you got to do is show us how to get out of
No,
trouble.
you did the wrist.
She's a, what do they call it? Dominic? The lady with the whip. Oh. See there, folks. She's a professional because she works
She's a loser. No,